Hey, and welcome back to another video in the Tiny Tech video series. This is a series that focuses on ways of using technology in your professional work at the college, helping students out with their technological needs, and of course, teaching one of your classes at the college. So today we'll focus on what's called allowing a right click. And specifically, this came up when I was helping someone with trying to download a video and edit that video for them from Zoom because of the video deletion issue that has happened recently. And so I realized at first I couldn't actually right click, it was disabled. And so I found a workaround for this that I want to share with you. And in this way, if someone shares a Zoom video with you, you can download it by right clicking on your mouse as you would, or even on your trackpad as you might. And this way you can save it to your computer, you can upload it to Canvas Studio, and so forth. So let's jump in right now and talk about how this works here on the computer. Okay, so let's talk about this very simple technique that involves downloading a Google Chrome app to make happen. But it's kind of a weird situation, rather unique. I discovered it working with Lori Thorne, helping Instruction Office with some of their All Faculty Day videos because of the deletion of videos in Zoom. So you're probably familiar with a situation where someone sends you a link to a Zoom video. So that's exactly what I have here. It doesn't really matter what it is. Now, in most situations, working with video on the web or even images, you can do what's called a right click. And you can't see right now, but I have a trackpad and I am able to click on it, and then this pops up. And you get something that is either save image as, that allows you to save it to your computer for further use, or you get something like this, download link file as. And in this case, it's actually showing it as a URL, which I wouldn't want. But the point is, a lot of times you want to save something and you simply do the right click. Well, I came up with a situation here when I got the videos from Lori, and I thought, and you can't see this, but right now I'm pressing my trackpad and nothing's happening, right? So that's the main problem. I was thinking, okay, I can't actually do this, and what the heck is going on? So I discovered something kind of cool, and that's why I'm sharing it with you. So if you go to Google Chrome, you'll have to use this in Chrome. Just like you do, type in a Google browser, allow right click Google. Okay? And this is going to work not just for Zoom files, but it's going to work for everything where a right click for whatever reason is disabled. So I'm going to just click on this, and I have it pre-installed. You will you can read the overview here, and I will try to remember to put this in link with the video as well so you can check it out. So this is called allow right click, and it just gets added to all your apps in Google Chrome. Okay? Now what I'm going to do then is I'm going to go back to, this is Safari. I'm going to take that link that Lori Thorne sent to me, and now I'm going to paste it here in Google Chrome. So again, this is the link in Safari. I'm clicking on my trackpad right now. You can't see it. Nothing happens. Now watch what happens in Chrome. I click on it and magic, right? This is exactly what we want. Save video as. Okay? So then I have this video. I'm not going to do it. It's very large. I would save it to the desktop, and then I can later use this shared Confer Zoom or Zoom video on my desktop. I could upload it to Canvas Studio, particularly if I'm trying to save things that are going to get deleted. So I really recommend to the department chairs out there as you're working with your part-time faculty, if there's anything like that, a class session, a video that you've done, and you really need to save this, this is magic. So just go to, again, Google Chrome. It has to be in Google Chrome. Search for allow right click. You'll just, I don't show you those steps, but you'll just basically click here, install, and it'll get installed in your Google browser. And then all you have to do is get that link that someone has shared with you. Hover over. If you have a trackpad, you could hit on a Mac 2 fingers. If you don't, if you have a right click on a mouse, then you would click the right click, and then this will show up right here, and you have all these options. Again, this can be useful for other things that also has disabling of right clicks. And I hope it's useful. If you have any questions, let me know, and I can set up a time with you and we could problem solve this in real time. But I think it's one way that you're going to find is really useful to save Confer Zoom or Zoom videos that other people have shared with you that you don't have access to in your current Zoom account. Okay, so that will be it today, talking about how you can enable the right click to download a Zoom video file that someone has shared with you so that you can use it in your own work context. As always, reach out if you have questions and concerns, and I'll be back with additional videos here in the Tiny Technology video series.